Sounds of Decay 2 is the new Aborted Vault of Horrors. It seems like the Fetus-related monikers always come through strong, you know? Dying Fetus' last album was a crusher. That early birth control stuff out of Germany is groovy as hell. And now we have Aborted to add to the list. It's been 3+ years since their last record, 2021's excellent Maniac Cult album. Vault of Horrors is the 12th album from the Belgian tech death quartet, and their sound has not changed much at all over the years. Screamier than Suffocation, more flowing guitars than Ulcerate. Each song on Vault features a different guest vocalist, and while I'm normally turned off by the special guest type project, I was pleasantly surprised by this one. The irony is, it's kind of hard to tell the difference between singers track to track, as all employ the signature Aborted style of one screamer and one grunter. Personally, I was so taken with the storming riff frenzies and majestic guitar solos, it didn't seem to matter whether the song features Matt from Cryptopsy or Jason from Ingested.
Fans of the genre should know what to expect from Aborted. 10 songs, all between the 4 to 5 minute length, packed with Ken Bendine's tickling blast beats, stop on a dime, rip zigzags, hard-barked vocals, and the remarkably fluid leads and twin guitar melodies of Ian Jackellis and newcomer Daniel Corenson. They have even added in some spicy synths to the mix, courtesy of Canadian keyboardist Spencer Cregan. Don't worry, they don't go all Rammstein on our asses. Lots of standout tracks like the blast-heavy Hellbound, featuring Matt from Cryptopsy on vocals, a track that blasts into one of the disc's strongest riffs at its midpoint and offers a downright sultry lead melody a little further down the road. Condemned to Rot is another stunner, the strobe-like percussion adorned by the vocals of Francesco Paoli of Italy's Flesh God Apocalypse. Finally, there's the cut we're going to play for you now, Notorium Demento, which translates loosely to Book of the Dead, with maybe the most intense metal chorus breakdown on the whole dang thing. This one is barked by David Simonich of Signs of the Swarm.
As you can see, there's a little something for everyone without compromising the band's trademark ear-splitting assault. Then there's that album cover. Wow, a giant skull made of hacked-up body parts? Gee, hon, I didn't get you anything. Well, I'm off to check out Coat Hanger Abortion. So let's play a song. This is Hellbound.
This is the Snaggletooth Extreme Metal Podcast.